G'day. Dave sent me to another car show, and it's not local. We're in Aylesbury. He wanted me to experience a traditional countryside classic car event, and well, I'm here, so let's have a scooch around. Enjoy. How much rust? All of it. Right, folks, we've got a selection of Triumph Stags here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, all in gorgeous colours. Now, a way you can upset a Triumph Stag owner is ask them about the engine. Just go, is that a Rover V8 in it? And just watch their heads pop. They love that. You got some old Morrises here, lovely. And what else we got here? Yeah, last of the summer wine vibes over there. We've got the American kind of folks here. The guy that owns this truck definitely loves his cousin, who also happens to be his sister. Got some trannies here. So we've got Mark 1. What else we got here? The Mark 1. Mark 1. Oh, look at this shaggin' wagon, folks. Look at this beaut. Oh, look at the paint job on that. You can tell he's pounded some pussy in there. Beautiful. Got some minis as well. It's alright, my camera girl isn't here today, so I'm just walking about winging it. So you got some minis. Some folks are starting to leave now. You got some Jags. And you can guarantee they forgot their wallet, so they're going to be asking for free food and drink. What else we've got around here, folks? Porsche Boxster. Yeah, he wishes he bought a 911, but his missus wouldn't let him. You got the Chrysler PT crew here. Yeah, enough said about those. Way to upset these folks is say to him, why didn't you buy a Mercedes? It's a Mercedes underneath, just with a shitty Chrysler badge on it. Now, RS2000, people are obsessed with those over here. They'll get this, folks. It's a fucking Ford Escort. It's a box on wheels. They were shit back in the 80s, but yet 70 grand. What else is here? these will, we got the air cool club here, you know, your air cool Beatles and camper vans, no coolant gang, as they say. Yeah, I quite like that one. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, not bad. What else we got here? Here's the thing, folks. People say, like, oh, something like that is like 10, 15k. And I don't see it. I don't get it with some cars of why they're so expensive. Like Ford Escorts. Mark 1s, Mark 2s, they were shit back in the day. Build quality of a fucking sardine can. Yet, you can get a 4-door for less than like 8 grand. Like, who comes up with these prices? Must be sniffing something. I definitely want something, whatever they're sniffing. Anyway, let's see what else is here. There we go, proper cars, Ford Granadas. Some nice classics. Nice. I like this one. Yeah, he definitely smoked something. Got some Austin 1100s. Get another shit car. Golf balls. Great. See, only at a classic car show. Golf balls. What the fuck? Make sure we're not getting fucking run over. Ford Sierra Cosworth. That's nice, but again, because it's a fast Ford, 20 grand. I remember when you could pick them up for a bag of chips. Oh look, it's the Rolls-Royce crew here. Tell me your old money without telling me your old money. Yeah, you can guarantee they've gang-banged in a field somewhere. Nice Mercedes here. Yeah, definitely a drug dealer. Oh look, Mark 1 Escort that hasn't dissolved. 30 grand, it's yours, even though it's a 4-door. Now Dave's lent me his ZR again because I'm here with beards and bangers and smashing pistons. Oh, this is nice, folks. I like the Jag. Daimler, Jag. How about this? Plymouth Barracuda. 383. Now I wonder. Yeah. That's nice, that is. Fucking Mopar no car. Well, if it's a modern Chrysler or whatever, Dodge, then definitely no car. Now this is a funky little thing. 1948 Austin Dorset, but it's got a V8 shoved under the bonnet. I really like that. Dave, sell your shit that you got and buy something like this. Oh, now we're talking, folks. Big old lanyards. Look at the size of them. Look at that. Give me 30 acres and I'll turn this bitch around. An Etzel. Oh, yeah. How can you tell you're gay in the 50s? Buy a drop-top Etzel. I like this, folks. Ford Lightning F-150. Another way of telling your parents are disappointed in you. Oh, look. A Dodge. Yeah. Second-hand electrical problems. And a big old Galaxy. I really like that. Now we're going to go over here and have a look at some Landies. Now in Oz, there's bloody loads of these over here. There you got different ones. It's an ex-Northern Ireland one. 109. Like I say, in Oz they're quite popular. There They got a Willys Jeep. Willys. Big old Dodge. Oh, someone in a Jetta is being stunned. Some more Willys. Willys. Another Landy. Oh, look at this beautiful bitch. Oh, look at that. So this is a 1945 Austin breakdown truck, K6. Oh yeah, that's a bit of me, that is. What do you reckon, folks? Should I tell Dave to sack off his MGs and everything and buy something like that? Granted, it'll take him bloody ever to get it to any shows. So you got some stuff over there as well. Lovely old Bedford. There, fire engine. A Dennis. Yeah, you got some stuff around here. Now I'll chuck in some B-roll, go around the place and that. Now this is a bit of a speciality. Plymouth Fury. So this particular car, from the information, is, I think it's like one of 15 or 26 ever left in the world. Because the Blues Brothers kept crashing them all. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got a 440 motor in it. I'm about to get run over by a Triumph and a fucking BMW. Oh, that's nice. That's something like you'd get back home. Noz. Beautiful. Kind of Mad Max. Oh, look, Chrysler. Again, big old bitch. A Volvo that isn't a brick. Here's very stuff here. Lovely Corvette C4. How gangster's that? Again, nice Merc next to it. TVR. So you definitely need to be on something to buy one of those. Rover P5B. Now a few cars have already kind of left. It's getting a bit thin. People are leaving. I suppose they're not used to this hot weather. Don't know why. But I've realised something about folks in the UK. It gets anything over 20 degrees, you'll start melting. And I've figured that out. Why you're all snowflakes to the sun. It's because you don't wear the white clothes. I've got a t-shirt on, a shirt to protect my arms so I don't get sunburned. And all I've got is my hat as well. Oh, Corvette. That's really nice. Gorgeous Corvette there. That's really nice. See, there's a lot of old classics here that you used to see in Oz. Mainly in the scrapyard for a reason. Nice old Landy. I'd use that. I'd daily drive that. Actually, I think I'd prefer that than the MG. Now, two other MG folks have problems with their suspension because I've noticed the MG ZR It's extremely stiff suspension. And when I say stiff, I mean it is bloody bone-crunching stiff. Imagine with the seats, my fucking kidneys get a battering. Listen to that, the sound of France back in the 70s and 80s. That was a Citroen CX25 DTR Turbo 2. It's just fancy words for saying it's a fucking tractor in a Citroen body. Oh, let's look at this old girl. That's nice. Yeah. What's this? It's coming up. This guy's living life right good, that is. Absolute A1. Look at this beaut. Oh, beautiful. How much cocaine you've had today? They have to drive this bitch. Fucking hell. Look at that. That's gorgeous, man. Love it. Well, he wasn't getting his face off, so I don't think he's had much. Oh, there's some classic commercials around here. There's just old crap over there. Just British Leyland and shit. See you later, bud. So you don't want that bit of paint? Oh, look at that. Old Bedford. Look at that beauty. Lovely Capri. That's gorgeous. Oh, Lexus Drugmobile. Nice. But, oh, Jesus. Check out the chooch. Oh, whoa. Christ. OPEC phone. It wants its fucking oil back. Now, Dave likes old trucks, and I like old trucks as well, and I keep convincing him to buy something like this, but he's like, where am I going to put it? And I'm like, I don't fucking care, not my problem. But it's an Atkinson, and this thing is bloody gorgeous. Now, there is a rule in the UK that you can drive a HGV truck on a car licence, but it has to be registered before January 1960. That's a J plate, so that's not going to do. Look at this old girl. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? So yeah, trying to find a truck in the UK that's a pre-1960 AEC is a bit difficult. They're a bit rare. No, wait a minute. Having that moment. It's one of those. What else have we got here? A Morgan. I think I found something. So there's a guy called Taylor Hetherington. Taylor, it's for sale, bud. I think you need this in your collection. Let me get you the deets. So if you didn't catch that, it's 079 266 21337. That is gorgeous. Oh, and it's a manual. It's a left hooker, but yeah, Taylor Hetherington. I think you should own that, mate. E-type jag. Now, there's not loads here, to be fair. Like people say, oh, E-type jags are expensive. They are, but here's the thing. The price about 5 years ago was really high for an E-type jag. And now, well, they're coming down in price. Why is that, Steve? Well, let me tell you. It's because the owners, enthusiasts of E-type jags are starting to die. Oh, look at this beaut. Oh, Dave would be happy with that. Check that out. There you go, Dave. Another CTI. That's gorgeous. Yeah, I like that. Oh, Triumph. Another Triumph Stag on steroids. Yeah, that's definitely taking some steroids. Right, here's 20 foot of Oldsmobile. It's a 98. Beautiful car. 20 feet long. Ah, just over there, they got some American trucks. And they're giving the old Jake brake action. I have to go there in a minute. I'll need a drink as well. Fucking parched. Big old Buick. Fucking hell, that is huge. So you got a Celine Mustang in baby sick colour. Ford Mustang. Chevy square body. I like that. That's really nice. And then you've got a Ford Cougar. It's a Cougar, Mercury Cougar XR7 that someone has bedlined all the panels. It looks fucking horrible. Why do people bedline their car? Oh, it's really tough and makes it look great. No, it makes it look like shit. Bedliners for bedliners, not for actual bodywork, you fucking morons. Anyway. Oh, look at that. Bullet Mustang. Nice. Classic Mustang. S197 Mustang. Nice. You got a big old Cadillac Coupe de Ville. It'll take you about 6 weeks to walk around the fucker. Oldsmobile Custom. Oh, bloody hell, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I like that. Jesus Christ. You can move your whole family in that thing. Again, huge as fuck. Oh, you've even got some classic Tratzers here as well. Oh, check out those beauties. Nice. And a kit car. Oh no, it's an AC Cobra. No, it's a fucking kit car. Yeah, I like that Oldsmobile. Look at the size of it. That is literally fucking 20 feet long. If a bloke owns that, I bet he's got a bed in the back. I bet he's all dented from all the shagging he does, because, God, women must be dropping all over it. Nice Ford F-150. Fucking Mopar, no car. Ford van. Sexmobile. If you own a van, you're definitely a swinger, aren't you? I don't own a van, and I'm not a swinger. But if I had a van, I'd have to identify as a swinger. Swinging my nuts everywhere. There's a lot more. A lot of vehicles have gone already. I need to go back to the car and have a bit of a rehydration session. Is there any Toyota Land Cruisers here? No. Is there any Holdens? No. Is there any Ford Falcons? No. Now, I know it's an English show, but you've got fuck tons of American stuff and all other stuff, but I'm really disappointed in the lack of Aussie stuff. Why is that, folks? Why is there not enough Aussie stuff in the UK? Now here's a bit of a beauty. Rover SD1 Vitesse. Done up in race colours. It's beautiful. It's actually a racing one as well. Fair dinkums for the guy driving that here. Air conditioning? Fuck no. All he's got is a window about that big, like a fucking McDonald's hatch, just to go, and that's his air conditioning. Another beaut. Check out this. Classic Subaru Impreza. Turbo. Is it an STI? I don't know. But I'm going to say it's an STI because it's got the pink badge on the front. I really like these. I'm trying to convince Dave again, along with getting rid of the shit that he's got, to get himself a classic lorry or truck and one of these bad boys. But Dave's really convinced to stay with his ZR. That's not going anywhere. Well, he said to me I would sell it, but the price that I'd ask for it is ridiculous. No one would pay for it. I go, how much would you want for your ZR, Dave? He goes, 10 grand. I go, you're right. No one in the right mind would buy that for 10 grand. No one in the right mind would buy it for 5 grand, even if it was mint. So you don't want to sell it then? He goes, no, I don't want to sell it. Oh, fair dinkums. Personally, I think he's a fucking idiot, but Dave, obviously you're going to be editing this. You know you're a fucking idiot. Just accept it. Now you got Simon from Smashing Pistons. His Rover 200 that he's done up. That's really nice. I like that. And then next to Dave's shitty MG is actually a really nice MG. Love the colour of that. That's beautiful. Look, Dave, your car is shit, and you know it. And you got this MGF, really nice Japanese spec, the guy was telling me. It's quite unusual because it's white, and even though it's convertible, it's got air conditioning. Figure that one out. But I'll show Dave. There's another, Dave, you'll never guess what. There's another monogram here. Well, there's actually two more. You got the Rover 75 over there. There we go. And then up there is another 3-door 160. So, you know, and that's in really good condition. So you're kind of clutching at straws, mate. A lot of people are going, I think. So, yeah. Fair dinkum. Right, well, the field is emptying out, as you can see. Everyone's peeling out. It's almost 5 o'clock. Jeez. And I've got a 2-hour journey back home. Granted, half an hour of that is on the motorway, but that's about it. So, jump into the car. See if she'll start up. Oh yeah, she started up. So folks, hope you enjoyed the show, and Dave, good luck with editing this video. And like Dave says, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, whatever the bloody idiot says. And till the next time, folks, tighty bar. That fucking idiot for saying that. Anyway, home time.